The final step is to place an order. There are a few options on how you can do this. The first option is you scroll down until you see your desired publication. You click View Prices next to it and select one of the required media sellers. Let's say you want to get published with PR News. You click on them, you will get redirected to their platform, you would need to create an account, and finally place an order with them directly. This is option 1. Option 2 is you contact us and we will take care of everything for you, from A to Z, from content creation to publication itself. The third option is you can export all of these lists by clicking on this button. They will look precisely like this, and you can forward this sheet to your marketing team for further work. This is it. The work is now completed. Now you just await until your post comes live. Good luck!